You can make freeze-dried stuff, and we got a surprise with freeze-dried stuff at the end. Okay, so with a camp stove, anyone know how to use this thing?
Twist it and put stuff on it.
That's right. We need some kind of, we need some type of source for lighting the fire. You see something there, Connor? What things can we use to light a fire? Yes? Oil? Fuel? Yeah, we can use some matches. All right.
I thought you had a lighter.
I do have a lighter here somewhere, but.
Oh, matches are easier for me, but
All
I
right.
can't.
Do you know how to use a match?
Yes. Not at all.
Not at all. Okay, that's fine.
I know how to use one of those things that you rub it.
Does he know how to use a match? All right. We'll take one match out and put the top back on. There's a striker right there. I want you to be careful, don't burn your fingers. So right now there's no, right now when we twist this, and again, once you have a flame, we're gonna boil water today, but if you take that other pot over there, Ryan, can you grab that other pot over there? So imagine you go fishing and you catch a fish, you go to fish, use one of these pans, you can cook fish right over that. Right? But first we gotta get a fire here. Alright. You ready? So I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna let the gas come on a little bit. It's actually not gas, but it's like a different source. You wanna light it kinda underneath here, because it'll shoot up. Okay, we'll close to the tip and then move away. Got it?
I've never used these kind of matches.
Go away from me, like do that.
Okay. Got a little spark. I've never used these type of matches.
It's okay.
Though.
It's okay.
I can do it, yeah.
Okay, let me start it. Tricky, aren't they? Ooh, that's lit. Here. Go underneath there. Quickly. Alright, is it lighting? Ooh.
OMG. I think
Now we have fire, right? Now, do I just toss this in the back? No.
marshmallow time.
Alright, so hold on. We're gonna move this stuff away. And can someone get that pot?
Why do you think we have
Girl, I'll get the pot.
I need to focus. Fire's fun. That looks really
So
awesome.
if I told you I got this water from the creek, would you use it?
No.
No, I didn't. What if I boiled it first?
Yeah.
And put it through that filter thing?
Yes. Definitely.
Alright.
I know.
So let's be careful. That's a little tippy.
That's usually why it comes with a cup.
Right? So how long does it take to boil water?
Just look at it.
I know. 20 minutes.
Look at it. Look at it.
It's not ready
And you'll
yet.
see.
So
Look
what
at
thing
it
should
and
we
you'll
cook
see.
first here?
Macaroni.
Wait, did I even measure? I didn't even measure how much water.
I don't get to eat marshmallows.
Oh, you want to try yours first? Let's see how much. Oh, that wind is really gusting, isn't it?
Probably wasn't best to do this on a windy day.
You know what? We were kind of stuck on days though, weren't we? We were going to do this at the boathouse, and it was we were going to do the fire in the fire pit there. But a wet fire pit, is it good? Easy to start a fire?
No.
Even if we got a fire going, what would the fire be really? It'd be really something if it's wet. What, Connor? It'd be super smoky. Yeah.
And some stoves don't have that much smoke.
Now that wind's really picking up since we lit this, isn't it?
Doesn't want us to make a fire.
All right. Who wants to try some breakfast food here? Oats with egg whites, almonds, dates. Can we make this? You want to try some of this? Okay. Can we all have something? Oh, you want a hot chocolate? Well, we can't really do marshmallows here, but maybe if we start a fire in a bit, you think we can start a fire and see if we can get rain?
Yeah, we can.
We have a shelter. We can do anything.
Now should we do a fire in here?
No! What?
You guys remember that song, The Roof, The Roof, The Roof is on fire.
Why don't you just like
Huh?
Why don't you start the fire?
Oh yeah, yeah. Hey Ryan, why don't you roll that solo stove out and find a good spot out there?
So you can start the fire.
Yep. If you could lift it, it would be better, but do what you gotta do. And maybe Eli could help you.
Oh, whoa. Is it boiled?
Are we boiling?
Steaming.
Are you cold?
So I think it's steaming a little.
All right.
You can kind of see the steam. If you look closely, I see the
It
steam.
is starting to boil. So what should we make first here, guys?
Oatmeal.
This stuff.
You
Oatmeal.
want to try some cereal stuff?
Yes.
Anyone wants hot chocolate?
Yes, hot chocolate.
We can make. I got another one of these, so we can make hot chocolate.
Oh, can I have
Are
one?
you sure?
Can I have one?
Here, let's make this just so we can see something we made.
Yeah.
Then we're doing hot chocolate. Hot chocolate floral.
We have to boil more water.
Can I light them in?
Well, hold on.
We'll have so much hot
So we
chocolate.
just open this up.
Pour it in.
And
really want that.
pour it in.
Wait, don't we have to pour it in?
Yeah, I think we got to pour it in. Mornings are tough. Breakfast should be easy, what's on the label. Okay, it is boiling now, so I'm going to go ahead and make some of this stuff.
Oh my gosh, wind, stop.
All right.
Stop it, wind, stop.
really good.
Step aside.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the wind just stopped.
All right. Now, I got lots of extra water. Should I make something else here?
Yes.
Nate, you want me to make that?
Sure.
Okay. How much water do I need? Do I have too much water?
I think you have just enough.
Or do you want to?
I don't know.
Do you want to read all that, or you just want to guess?
Open package at tier notch, remove and discard oxygen absorber. It's for a different sort of thing. Carefully add 2 cups of boiling water.
Should we measure the water? I can measure the water in that. It won't burn. Hold on a second. Let me go grab that. Connor, you hold that steady. I don't want to drop it. I don't want to scald anyone with boiling water. Yes, thank you.
I can't really hold
2
it
cups.
steady.
Let's see if we got enough for 2 cups.
I can't really hold it steady. Okay, you're gonna hold it steady?
All right. This is only 1 cup. This isn't enough. So actually, let's make our first hot chocolate, and then we'll measure yours, and we'll do it exactly right.
Yes.
All right.
So much hot chocolate.
So I'm trying not to touch as many things as possible. Does someone want to grab a cup out of there? And I'm going to let you grab your own hot chocolate.
I got this.
Okay, you got 1 hot chocolate. Nick, you separate there. You got 2 hot chocolates there. All right.
Hot chocolate.
All right.
Everyone's getting a hot chocolate. I don't think everyone's
Who
getting
is
it.
ready? Who is ready?
I got this. Wait. Ah. I got the cup and the hot chocolate.
Okay, who is ready?
Me.
All right, Bryson, I'm going to do yours first here. And I'm going to do it. No one get close to that flame. Okay, we're going to need more water.
What's that name? Yes, we are.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to measure your thing out, Nate, and get your, unless people want. Do you want to do that right now, or do you want to do it in a bit?
I don't care.
Let's do your thing now, and then we'll
No.
we'll have time. We got time. All right.
Not everyone, but some people like hot chocolate.
Sometimes the best part is waiting.
I got this like 3 years ago.
Oh, really? What's the expiration date?
I don't know.
So we're in real survival mode, huh?
Just found it.
That's by June 2048.
2048?
You'll be fine.
Yeah, we're gonna be fine.
All right.
Whoa. Wow.
Won't be you a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
You've got 2 packs. I'll see you.
That'll be fine. That'll be in a run furniture. That's in like 28 Yes, we are.
How about we check on the oatmeal?
Oh, yeah, 28.
Yeah, does anyone want some oatmeal?
Yes.
I mean, there's a lot of oatmeal here. Hold on, let me get a spoon here.
Yes.
Hold on, let me grab a spoon.
Do we have enough water for everybody to get a hot chocolate?
I think we will have enough water. Yeah. Okay, so I have oatmeal here.
I want it. I have it.
Let me pour some in a glass here, Connor. You can have some. We'll give some to a few different people.
Yay.
Who would like to try it? Connor. Okay.
Am I the only one who wants to try it?
No, Bryson wants to.
Oh, okay.
Why?
All right.
Check next.
Pencil?
Grayson, can you grab? I just don't want to touch too many things. Why don't you? Yeah, I could actually. Yes. Yeah, I guess Connor wants some. Yeah, Grayson wants some, and then someone can finish it off.
Daddy, do you like oatmeal? Does anybody like oatmeal? Loud noise. Daddy, look how big
What's
that
that?
sounded. Did anybody else loud noise that sounded like thunder?
Wait. You hold this so I can tell Ryan.
What's that?
You hold this so I can tell Ryan to hold it.
Well, you know,
The fire?
How do you know fire?
the fire's alive, right?
No, it just eats things. Now.
Burn it!
I just want this toasty.
You just want it toasty? It's either all or nothing.
So Ryan, you're gonna do a good video of this, right? Ooh, that's a good video. I like that. That looks great.
Wait, no.
The spoon's in the bag.
No, the spoon doesn't fit in the
Post it
bag.
on your YouTube channel.
It doesn't
and
fit in the
people can
bag.
watch it.
Oh, yeah.
So basically, we're going.
Oh, you
Probably
can't
going to have
leave
to
it in
make
the bag
parts
either.
1 and 2, considering
Just
that.
just cut it short.
No, we can't.
I
It's
will.
like over 50.
Not all
30
my
minutes.
jokes were funny.
That's not true.
The spoon doesn't fit in the bag.
Oh, that's okay.
Wait, if I scream at
Warm
it,
up
will
that
the fire
fire. This
get
feels
bigger?
good.
I just want mine nice and toasty.
I'll just make it
Nice and toasty. Nice and toasty. That's
Smoky,
We can make it.
Ooh, that's gonna be on fire.
That's fire!
He's done like 6 of them like that.
Yeah, it's
4 of them are in there.
five.
You're gonna lose it, Connor.
Like, this is the best kind of marshmallow. The torch kind.
right by his